Hello everyone, and welcome to the DNAKE webinar for this announcement about our new products. And I'm Jamie, and I work in the technical support team. Let's discover the power of DNAKE interminers together. The first part is a brief introduction of our company. After that, we will be talking about the features of our latest interminers, as well as introducing some exciting new products. And during the webinar, if you have any questions, you can leave your comments in the chat. In the end, we have Q&A sections. So to get it started, I'd like to begin with about DNAKE. We are founded in 2005. We mainly focus on IP-based intercoms, two-wire intercoms, and wireless ball bearings. Those products made DNAKE become top 1 intercom solution provider in China. With the development of 15 years, we have become a listed company in 2020. It's remarkable to think that this year marks the 18th anniversary of DNAKE. Together with thousands of employees, we have covered over 90 countries so far. During the 15 years, we mainly focus on China's domestic market, and for the international market, we only offer ODM service. But in 2021, we decided to start brand promotion for the international market. We are recognized by DNAKE. They affirmed our commitment to quality, safety, and environmental management. They put trust and confidence in DNAKE products, services, and operations. And our teams are continuing to innovate. With intellectual property rights, we are in a leading position in terms of patents and copyrights. We have our own 50,000 square meters technology park with around 3.5 million units annual production capacity. The strict quality management is always our priority. Quality is everything. Driven by the deep integration of hardware, software, and services, this experience helps us become a valuable manufacturer in China. Driven by the deep integration of hardware, software, and services, these experiences help us become a valuable manufacturer in China. And we are top 10 building intercom and preferred supplier for 10 consecutive years in China. Not only domestic, but we are also recognized worldwide. ANS announced we are top 2 intercom product group and top 22 security company. Our goal is to make cutting-edge products. We are appreciated by some design awards like Red Dot and IDA. DNAKE has expanded its global footprint to over 90 countries and regions, including Europe, the Middle East, Australia, Africa, America, and Southeast Asia. And today we are going to make announcements. We will be talking about the features of our latest interminers, as well as introducing some exciting new products. All of our interminer can support SIP 2.0 protocol, IPC integration, and home automation. Android 10 is also available. This year, we developed our cloud platform, which can be used to remote manage devices. And let's see how we can configure devices. The first one is the most common one, web configuration page. We can configure directly on the device or on its web page. If you have our software CMS installed in your computer, you can configure devices within the same LAN. And if you want to configure them anywhere, we have a cloud platform for you to set devices up via the internet. And we released beta version on the early July. Commercial version 1.3 will be available, so stay tuned. And here we categorize our interminers with screen size, operating system, and optional functions. 7 and 10-inch screen products are on the list. Linux and Android system is also in the market. Wi-Fi or camera features are optional for customers. Here they are. This table has all Indomiters listed to present you with a holistic view. And we have 3 pictures showing different application scenarios. This one is apartment scenario. And this one is for villa scenario. And the last one is for commercial scenario. And we are excited to give you an introduction to our new products, H618 and E211. Introducing Indomiter H618, the premium 10.1-inch Indomiter is here. With its brilliant IPS display, you have a better and wider view with big screen. H618 has a big display with an expansive 10.1-inch screen, so you can see even more of your contents that's surrounded by thin aluminum borders. This is our first ever aluminum Indomiter. Stronger material is much more durable than plastic Indomiters. It's beautifully designed. And we even embedded sensors in the front panel, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. With sensors, the screen will wake up automatically when you approach. And you will free your hands to wake it up every time before doing anything. And the screen backlight will be adjusted by itself according to the light condition, and it can automatically adjust the brightness of the screen according to the environment you are in. When under the sun, the screen will be automatically adjusted to brighten the screen. In the dark environment, the screen will automatically darken, and the power consumption will be lower with it. And it can also reduce the uncomfortable and dry eyes after long-time use. And with Android 10 and bigger storage capacity, every touch of your fingertips will be responded with smoother and faster actions. Android 10 operation system allows you to have more favorite apps in it. You can install more third-party apps. The compatibility across third-party apps is greatly improved. And after talking about software, we have one relay output for your hardware. You can use this relay to connect with your apartment door. And in that case, you can control your own apartment door with Indomiter. And when compared to the old products 904 MS3 with the same 10-inch screen, more features are improved. Operation system and storage is lifted. Screen is replaced with IPS screen, proximity and light induction. TF card, relay output, and reset button are all supported now. And this table is a comparison between H618 and our competitor. And when it comes to camera, H618 has a 2 megapixel camera inside. More features are supported on H618, such as alarm output, hard reset, USB ports, and sensors. Well, today we have another product to share. Here it is, E211, the audio Indomiter. It's solid and durable. And though it's audio version, you can still do many things directly on the device. Those physical buttons can provide you with easy control of your device, like DND, mute, call, answer, unlock, and so on. And customers have more choice. They can choose Wi-Fi version or with handset. With handset, it can provide you with a private and clear communication experience. So that's the new audio indoor monitor. Pairing with competitors in the market, it has an optional handset, 8 alarm input, alarm output, and optional RS-485 and Wi-Fi. After announcing our new products, we have a roadmap for later this year. We will continue to enrich our cloud platform and work on creating our own SIP server. New two-wire products will also be released later on. We have received some frequently asked questions. I will share with you some questions our customers raised. And some of them are listed here. The first question is about IP cameras. How many IP cameras can be added in total? And E216 supports 8 IP cameras, while H618, A416, and E416 supports 16 IP cameras. The second question is, do you have a relay on indoor monitor? Yes, we have. The H618 and A416, E416, and E216 have one relay behind. It can be used to connect the lock directly. The third question is, how can I make my 2 indoor monitors ring simultaneously? We need to do some settings. We need to go to the room setting page, make sure building unit, apartment number, and sink number are the same on the indoor monitors. As for the device number, they should be different. One of them should be 0, while the rest of the device numbers should be 1 or 2 or 9. It depends on the numbers of indoor monitors. And the last question here is, does DNAKE have indoor monitors with IPS screen? Yes, we have 2 indoor monitors with IPS. One is H618 and A416. Now we are free to discuss. You may raise up any questions you have. You can send your questions in the chat, so I can answer all of your questions, and my colleagues will help me to answer your questions in the chat. And in addition to thank you for your support, we prepared a lucky draw for you. This lucky draw, we will choose some of our attendees, and then we will tell you the lucky who's the winner of the lucky draw. And thank you for joining us, and have a good day. Bye. I will see you next time.